Oh, it started recording. Whatever. So this is like my third time trying to film my Boxy Charm unboxing video. So just got it today, and I decided that I'd record this video really fast before I went to work. So this is my box, just an explanation of what Boxy Charm is. It's a makeup subscription thing where you pay $21 a month and you get about 5 to 6 products. Like they send you brushes, face stuff, eyeliners, mascaras, palettes. The last 3 boxes I've gotten a pure cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I've gotten a pure cosmetics contour and highlighting palette. I've got ColourPop palette. This month I've got full-size products from them, like my last box I got this Cover FX blurring primer. I've gotten blushes and stuff like that from them. So I think for $21 a month it's a really good price because you get about $250 worth of things for $21. Like, sis, that's a steal, okay? But anyway, so for my June box, let's see. Yeah, it renews every month on the 1st of the month, and it's the 13th, I think. Or is today the 12th? Today's the 13th. So it shipped out sometime last week. It took like a week to get to me. So what's this? They send you like coupon codes too that you can use also to get like percentages off. This month I would say 28 and 20, that's 56. I don't know what they sent me. I don't know if this okay. So first, pulling out the first thing, I got this Boxy Flawless Complexion Brush set, 3-piece set. It values for $42. It has a tapered highlighting face brush, a precision foundation face brush, and a dual fiber powder brush. They're vegan and cruelty free. So again, that's from Luxy, or is it Luxy? I would say Luxy, that makes more sense. But these are cute. They're nice pink, gold stuff. Let's see how they feel. Let me reach for my garbage. So this is the Duo Fiber Powder Brush. What I would use these brushes for because they're not like normal brushes. The second thing I'm pulling out is from Girl Addict Beauty. It's a lip paint. It values for $23.
What
color is this? It's in the color Blossom. It's a nice pinkish reddish color. That's something. Actually, kind of wish I would have got the brown looking one. this isn't something I would wear. Yeah, that's like not, it's not something I would wear. That's just that. So then the next thing I'm pulling out is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It retails for $10. It's just a small, this is the smaller one. I got this from Sephora. They gave me this, and I haven't tried that yet, but I know what it smells like. I know it smells good. Yeah, it smells good, but I don't know exactly. It's supposed to tighten like your skin, basically makes it look more younger. The next thing I am pulling out is this Jonte Blue waterproof eyelining pencil. It's 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil. It retails for $5. I'm just gonna swatch this right next to here, I guess. It feels nice. Oh, it's not exactly black. It's in the color charcoal. It's like a grayish. Yeah, it's more gray than black. So the next thing I am pulling out of here are some lashes from Baddington. They're Monroe Silk Lashes. They retail for $28, and they're handmade with 100% with silk and impressive durability. You can use them up to 25 times with proper care. Who is Jasmine and Caitlin and Joelle and all of these people? These people that run Boxy Charm. Oh, that's the theme for their box. Caribbean Queen. I see. I'm guessing. This is some nice packaging. Yeah, these are in the style Monroe. It says it here on the back. This is how it opens. This is funny because I'm wearing my Ocean Lashes shirt, which I'll leave the link down. Well, actually, no. Yeah, I will. These feel okay. They look like something I would be into wearing. I like the packaging. So we'll put these. Now, last but not least, this is, I was actually hoping I would get this because I saw it online. This is from Alamar in the Reina del Caribe. It's an eyeshadow palette with 8 eyeshadows. It retails for $28. It can be used with wet or dry. Okay. I think I just watched a video with Jackie Aina using this palette, if I'm really not mistaken. But let me just go make sure. Because I was like, oh, that looks cute. Like, I kind of want that. But I'm not actually sure if this was the palette she was using. It looks so similar to it. Like, these are some nice shadows. See, that's another thing, like, what I like about Boxy Charm. They send you, like, full palettes. They're not, like, skimpy little, like, sample size things. Swatch this blue. Actually, I think this is what she used. It's in Verado. You can use this wet. I'll put this somewhere on my hair. This is it. Ooh. is it with just dry. Can only imagine what it looks like when it's used wet. Swatch this too. This is La Costa. I'll put this here. And El Malcone is this gold shimmery shade. Let me do Cocoa Taxi, because this is like an orange. We'll do that here. That doesn't really show up on my skin, and actually that doesn't actually show up too good on my skin color, because whatever. Ooh, yeah, this one feels better. Tropical feels way better than what did I just use? Yeah, it feels like a better formula than Cocoa Taxi. This is Tropico. There's a Cafecito. Is this nice brown shade. Anyway, I guess the gist is that this palette is really pigmented and it's really good. Well, I don't know how good it is, but it's just really pigmented. Except for that orange. I'm not feeling that orange. Alright, last color. I can't pronounce that. It's Guantanamera or something like that. It's this nice burgundy shade. So that's all 8 shades of that. It says volume 1. So is this like their first palette? Or whatever. Anyway, so I'll probably do a full another video with using just my BoxyCharm products that I got, because I have a lot of stuff in them already. Like, I have so much makeup already, and then I just keep getting makeup every month, and I don't know what else to do with it. Like, how do people who get like PR boxes function? Like, I would never want. Okay, so the lip thing from Girl-Tic is like Pro-Addict. It's like not coming off my skin. Put some force to that. I'm like, okay. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this nice quick video of BoxyCharm. I'll leave my referral code down below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.